Alright, hello everybody and welcome. This is Remoto Max, and I'm going to do a video of some of the common mistakes that I've made over the years. Very first that I will bring up is related to the logs. If we look here, this is showing 6/13 of 2020. My search criteria was 6/1 to 6/30, and we can go down. You see 6/29. Okay, you get the point. Last time it was cleared. Don't hit this button. That's one of the first mistakes. Now since then I no longer hit this button and I'm able to continue. So if we go 07, oops. Okay. And you'll notice nothing but smart. And that's one of my other common mistakes. So, as you see here on the 27th, we have an error 3, or error reason 3. And 5 days before that, on the 22nd, we have another one, same reason, and the reason was nobody was visiting the DVR to wipe out the 3 terabyte hard drive, and it was just constantly overriding. And as you can see here, there's nothing here but hard drive information, right? And if we go to 08, okay, do a search, and same thing. Okay, every 5 days, the hard drive gets upset. Well, it's getting upset every day, but every 5 days it gets upset. It changes, the drive. So, the first, 5 days later, the 6th, 11th, you get the point. Okay. So, another mistake. Well, here I'll just show you here. I mean, we'll go to 04 of 2021, and you'll notice, just because we're going to fast forward a little bit. Who wants to? This thing is so slow when you're trying to use. All right. And you'll see, again, nothing but hard drive information, changing SATA 3, reason 3. This one down here will be to 0, reason 3. This one here, 1, reason 3. Okay, you get the point. All right. Then, the next thing, and this is the most important, when this was set up, it was quick, it was late, I had 5 minutes, so I'm going to show you. Now, right now I've got it all turned off, so all of the main, sub, and snapshots are currently turned off. But when this comes set up from factory, general is set. Snapshot general is set. So, common mistake when you're in a rush, add motion, okay, to record, because you want to make sure you can document motion information. All right, but then take out general, and the next issue, and this is where we're going to go to search, Let's go to November 2021. Okay. So here at November 2021, there was 10 cameras connected. But let me show you this. Full. 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 And you might be saying to yourself, well, that's no big deal, right? Wrong. Next thing, it even gets worse. Because in picture storage, no camera connected, but there's also pictures being captured. So, you want to change full-time picture capture on a DVR to none. Or you want to make sure you're doing it for a reason, change the timing, whatever, for that particular camera, for your needs. But definitely change it from full-time. All right. So, now where this doesn't really matter that much because an empty picture is only like I don't know, 4 kilobytes, but they add up. I mean, if you think about it, there's 86,000 pictures a day, and I'm not a mathematician, but let's see here. So 60 seconds in a minute times 60 minutes in an hour times 24 hours. So in a whole day, that's 86,400. Okay. Now times that by 4, that's 345,600 kilobytes, or basically 3.5 megs, I'm guessing, or maybe a 34. Anyway, somewhere around there. It's too late for me to figure that out right now. But you get the point. So it does add up. Now, back to the videos. Okay. To prove this, pick a time, black, empty video. Okay. Press stop. We're going to choose a different day just to show. Still full-time record. Press play. Empty video. Okay, you're thinking to yourself, yeah, what about, you said you didn't have channel. Okay, so let's go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Press play. And like I said, didn't have any. Now, here's the thing. Per channel, per hour, it records anywhere from 30, which I don't know what the difference is, you know, why some hour has lower than another hour. But when you do a search, and let me show you that. So we will go to doing the backup. Okay. Channel 11. Okay. Change that. Do search. Okay. Now, for whatever reason, this one here, for 8 seconds, I don't know. But anyway, so then this is 50 megs, almost 50 meg, well, you know, close to 50. Anyway, you get it. So now if you look, you know, there's 12 to 1, 1 to 2. All right. So all those spots add up. And if we click here, empty. So it's just literally recording nothing and taking up space. So that's a common mistake that other people will make. That's why I'm making this video, so you don't have to make it. So how do you fix that? Well, as I was saying before, when you go to storage, first thing you want to do, and most times when you set up your system, this window will come up. If it doesn't come up, make sure that after you set up your DVR for the first time, or NVR even, that you change the schedule for your recordings. Just make it simple, quick, and easy. First thing to do, hit all. Second thing to do, hit all. Third thing to do is, change it. So, whoops, click this. This. Well, I'll show you how it was originally set up. Okay, so this is how it originally came set up. And, I did, as you can tell by doing the search, looking in November, which was the last month it was working, I did set up motion, but I was in a rush. Didn't change out full time and did not change the channels that were not connected. And so if you have, let's say you bought a 16 channel DVR, you currently have 4 cameras, and in this case I actually had 10. So again, if we go to search, go back to November, okay, you can see there's motion in those. Down here to 10, you can see there's motion, 9 motion, 8 motion, 7 motion, 6 motion, 5 motion. So you can see there's, motion. So there's time there. There's a camera there. All right. Now, the mistake on that was that I didn't go to the storage, go to the record mode, and turn off. So normally these are all like this. So had I, in this case, turned off 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, okay, and turned off all of those also for snapshots, I would have had more time than, what was it? Well, there's November and 2 days in October. Yeah, 30th and 31st in October. And 19. So 21 days from that mistake. So again, if, like I was saying, if you had only 4 cameras connected, you're going to want to turn off all of the snapshots for those other channels, and also turn off all of the recording for those other channels. All right, a little long. Sorry about that. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything you want to see in the future, just let me know, and I'll do the best I can. Until next time, be safe. This is Revo Max. Thanks for watching.